it a nice stir. Garnish with a lemon. There we go. This is your Bossier City Orangeade with a lemon twist. Ooh. That's nice. Hold on. That's a lot going on, especially with the Cajun seasoning. When you rim it with the cinnamon, that's the first thing, of course, you taste. So it's giving you that saltiness, that kind of savoriness. But then you got the kind of wake up from the 7-Up. You got the kind of mellow out with the vodka. You can taste a little bit of everything in there. Then the orange Aperol is very good in here. So I suggest you try it. Now, if I had to redo it over, even adding the Kool-Aid, a little bit of Kool-Aid, didn't really change the flavor too much.